If you are the main user of the platform, you have access to this additional section of the platform called Users. From here, you can add a new user or manage an existing user. You can change their name, email, username, and password, their language. And then if you set their account to inactive, it doesn't delete the account, but it means that the user can't log in. You can also set limits for the user on their ability to add clips to a playlist, create playlists, and give playlists the ability to override. On the right-hand side, you can manage which players they have access to and which templates they can use to create clips, and then add or remove their ability to use different functions on the platform under the Permissions tab. You can also use the Switch User button to log into the platform from the perspective of a different user. Then once you've finished, you can log back into your own account by clicking your name in the top hand right side of the screen. Thanks for watching the video, and make sure you check out the rest of our videos.